Copy Trading 2024 Tutorial for Complete Beginners. Hey there, ever heard of copy trading? It's a game changer in the world of investing. Imagine being able to follow successful traders and automatically replicate their trades. Cool, right? But how does it work? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Today, we're going to show you everything you need to know about using the copy trading feature on the bingx platform. And if you're new to trading, this video could revolutionize the way you trade. So let's dive into this video today to learn how you can make the most of bingx copy trading. Here we begin. Simply click the link in the description to land on this page. By doing so, you can snag up to $5,000 in bonuses. All you need to do is click on the link below to find out how to claim these bonuses. Plus, you'll always be in line for the top bonuses available. Just enter your email address, choose a password, and voila, your account is created and ready to go. It's as easy as that. Now, how to deposit? Once you set up your account and log in for the first time, you'll be directed to the next page where we will see how to add money to your account. To do this, go to your account settings and click on Deposit. From there, you can select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit, like Bitcoin or USDT. You can also choose the network you prefer, such as Tron for USDT. After selecting your options, you'll receive a deposit address. Copy this address and use it to transfer USDT from another exchange or your wallet to your account. This process works for any cryptocurrency, including Bitcoin and Ethereum. If you don't have any cryptocurrency, you can deposit money using fiat currency like Euro or US dollar. Just click on the option to deposit with fiat currency. Choose your preferred currency, enter the amount you want to deposit, and then select a payment method from the options provided. It's that simple. Whether you're depositing cryptocurrency or fiat currency, various payment methods are available, making it convenient and straightforward to add funds to your account. Next, explore copy trading feature. After you've deposited money, you can explore the copy trading feature. To do this, simply click on copy trading at the top of the page. Here, you'll find a list of different traders you can follow. At the top are the top traders who have many followers. Scroll down to find traders with lower risk profiles indicated by a lower number. This means they take less risk by using lower leverage and trading less risky pairs. You can also see traders who are currently performing well. Click on All Traders to see the full list. There are many traders to choose from, and you can always see how many people are copying each trader. But while choosing a trader to follow, we want to know how much return they've made on their investments in the last 30 days and how much risk they're taking. You can search for traders or use filters to narrow down your options based on their account level, assets, profit in the last 30 days, and more. Once you find a trader you're interested in, like Mata2050, you can click on their profile to see their trading stats. Here, you can learn about their strategy and recommendations. You'll also see their trading data, including their profit over the last 30 and 90 days. For example, you'll see if Mata2050 made a 150% profit in the last 30 days. You'll also see how much assets they currently have and their total profit. Additionally, you'll find information about their copiers, win ratio, trading pairs, and more. This helps you make an informed decision about which trader to follow based on their performance and strategy. To follow Mata2050, click on his profile and then hit the follow button. You can see all the traders you're following in one place. To copy his trades with your own money, click on Copy and choose between fixed margin or position margin. Understanding fixed margin and position margin. Fixed margin lets you decide how much of your capital to invest in each trade, while position margin follows the trader's ratio. Select the account you want to use and specify the amount you want to invest. For example, if you put $20 into it, you can set a take profit and stop loss. If the investment reaches $28, you'll take your profit, but if it drops below a certain amount, you'll stop the loss. This way, you can manage your investment based on your preferences and risk tolerance. Now, let's say the investment starts at $18. If it drops by $10, you want to cut your losses and exit the position. This feature allows you to manage your investment effectively. If you no longer wish to follow the trader, you can simply uncheck the box and stop copying their trades. After setting your preferences, just click on Copy to start copying the trader. Now you can monitor your orders and trades. By navigating to the Trades section, you can see the details of the trade, including the amount invested and the current profit or loss. For instance, with a $20 investment, you can observe the position you've entered and track your profit or loss. If you decide to close the position, you have the option to do so. This gives you control over your investment strategy and allows you to adjust based on market conditions and risk tolerance. Overall, the platform provides transparency and flexibility in copy trading, empowering users to make informed decisions about their investments. Take profit and set stop-loss levels. Moreover, you can also set your take profit and stop-loss levels, giving you more control over your trades. Additionally, you can monitor your investment amount and track your trade history, including both open and closed trades. This allows you to review your trading activity and assess your performance over time. If you ever want to adjust your investment or stop copying the trader, you can easily do so. Simply navigate to the platform, track your trades, and monitor your profits. Remember, once your targets are reached, you can choose to stop following the trader or make further adjustments to your investment strategy. Whether you decide to increase or reduce your funds, the platform offers flexibility to meet your investment goals. So feel free to track your trades and manage your investments according to your preferences. Stop copying a trader. To stop copying a trader, simply navigate to the platform and locate the option to stop copying. Once you click on this option, the system will close all your trading positions associated with that trader. This includes any open positions you currently have. After confirming your decision, you may need to wait briefly while the system processes the request. Once completed, your account will return to its normal state, with no active trades linked to the copied trader. This process ensures a seamless transition as if nothing had happened. While it may take a moment for the system to finalize the closure of positions, rest assured that your account will be back to zero, indicating that you are completely out of the copied trading arrangement. This flexibility allows you to easily exit your current trading strategy and explore other opportunities. You can then search for a new trader to follow, providing a straightforward and efficient way to manage your investments. With this user-friendly approach, you can easily adapt your trading preferences as needed and explore different trading strategies. So, what do you think of the copy trading tutorial for beginners? Comment below and subscribe for more.